Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix this problem. So here you can see it. We are sorry about something went wrong. Please try again on Instagram. So when you just try to log in into your Instagram account and you just receive this error, so how you can also fix it. So mostly it happened because you just have problems with internet connection. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use Star Data, just open Star Data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore phone, so you go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just restore phone. And the latest option you can try to up their app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab, just right here Instagram. And if you see here update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like and bye.